During a laparoscopic cholecystectomy, the surgeon requests insufflation pressure adjustment due to decreased venous return. Which complication is most likely occurring? A. Pneumothorax. B. Vagal stimulation from peritoneal stretch. C. Hypercarbia from CO2 absorption. D. Gas embolism. Answer, D. High insufflation pressure can force gas into blood vessels, causing a gas embolism, which reduces venous return. Which action by the surgical technologist best maintains sterility when opening a peel pack instrument onto the sterile field? A. Drop item from 12 inches above field. B. Touch inner wrapper edges briefly. C. Present item without reaching over field. D. Allow circulator to place item directly. Answer, C. The technologist must avoid reaching across sterile areas and maintain safe distance while presenting items. The inner wrapper is sterile and must not be touched. Controlled presentation prevents contamination and preserves aseptic technique throughout the setup. A surgeon performing bowel surgery requests a change of gloves after anastomosis. What is the primary reason? A. Reduce surgical fatigue. B. Prevent cross-contamination. C. Improve tactile sensitivity. D. Maintain instrument organization. Answer, B. Gastrointestinal procedures are considered contaminated due to bacterial flora. After completing contaminated portions, glove changes prevent transfer of microorganisms to clean tissues, lowering surgical site infection risk. Which instrument is specifically designed for atraumatic grasping of delicate tissue such as fallopian tubes? A. Alice clamp. B. Coker forceps. C. Babcock forceps. D. Backhouse towel clamp. Answer, C. Babcock forceps have rounded fenestrated jaws that distribute pressure evenly, minimizing tissue trauma. They are ideal for delicate structures where crushing injury must be avoided. During a total hip arthroplasty, cement implantation syndrome becomes suspected. Which observation should alert the CST immediately? A. Increased urine output. B. Sudden hypotension and hypoxia. C. Elevated body temperature. D. Localized bleeding at incision. Answer, B. Bone cement can trigger embolic and cardiovascular reactions leading to hypoxia, hypotension, and cardiac instability. Early recognition allows rapid anesthesia intervention, demonstrating the CST's role in patient safety awareness. Which sterilization method is most appropriate for heat-sensitive endoscopic equipment? A. Steam autoclave. B. Dry heat sterilization. C. Ethylene oxide gas. D. Flash steam sterilization. Answer, C. Ethylene oxide sterilization operates at low temperatures and penetrates complex lumens without damaging delicate materials. It requires aeration afterward to remove toxic residues. While counting sponges, the CST notices a discrepancy before wound closure. What is the first correct action? A. Inform surgeon immediately. B. Recount independently. C. Document missing item. D. Obtain radiograph order. Answer, A. Patient safety takes priority. The surgical team must be alerted immediately so closure is paused. Additional counts and imaging may follow, but communication is the critical first step. Which suture characteristic promotes minimal tissue reaction and long-term tensile strength? A. Multifilament absorbable. B. Natural braided. C. Synthetic non-absorbable monofilament. D. Chromic gut. Answer, C. Synthetic non-absorbable monofilaments provoke minimal inflammatory response and maintain strength indefinitely, making them ideal for vascular or prosthetic fixation procedures. The CST anticipates use of a Fogarty catheter during vascular surgery. Its primary purpose is A. Dilate arteries permanently. B. Remove intravascular thrombus. C. Irrigate vessel lumen. D. Control hemorrhage externally. Answer, B. A Fogarty catheter contains an inflatable balloon used to extract clots from blood vessels, restoring circulation during embolectomy procedures. Which positioning risk is most associated with the lithotomy position? A. Brachial plexus injury. B. Peroneal nerve damage. C. Cervical spine compression. D. Ulnar nerve neuropathy. Answer, B. Improper leg support in lithotomy position can compress the peroneal nerve near the fibular head, causing postoperative foot drop. Proper padding and alignment are essential. The surgical technologist prepares hemostatic agents. Which works by providing a matrix for clot formation? A. Epinephrine solution. B. Normal saline irrigation. C. Lidocaine jelly. D. Oxidized regenerated cellulose. Answer, D. Oxidized cellulose promotes coagulation by creating a scaffold that facilitates platelet aggregation and clot formation at bleeding sites. During neurosurgery, cottonoid patties must always be managed with A. Sterile saline soak only. B. Warm irrigation solution. C. Double glove technique. D. Radiopaque markers. Answer, D. Cottonoids contain radiopaque strips allowing detection via imaging if retained. Strict counting prevents retained surgical items, critical in neurosurgical procedures. Which factor most directly affects electrosurgical unit effectiveness? A. Room humidity. B. Tissue impedance. C. Surgeon handedness. D. Instrument weight. Answer, B. Electrosurgery depends on electrical resistance of tissues. Higher impedance changes cutting and coagulation efficiency, influencing energy delivery and tissue effect. What is the primary role of the CST during specimen handling? A. Diagnose pathology. B. Label independently. C. Maintain specimen integrity and orientation. D. Transport to laboratory personally. Answer, C. The CST ensures correct preservation, prevents contamination, and communicates orientation markers so pathology interpretation remains accurate. Which instrument would best retract deep abdominal tissue? A. Sen retractor. B. Richardson retractor. C. Army-Navy retractor. D. Skin hook. Answer, B. The Richardson retractor provides deep tissue exposure in abdominal surgeries due to its strong curved blade and ergonomic handle. When performing a surgical hand scrub, the most critical principle is A. Duration alone. B. Rapid completion. C. Use of hot water. D. Friction and mechanical removal of microbes. Answer, D. Mechanical friction removes transient microorganisms from skin surfaces. Proper technique matters more than speed or water temperature. Which medication classification is commonly administered to reduce gastric acidity before anesthesia? A. Anticholinergic. B. Proton pump inhibitor. C. Anticoagulant. D. Diuretic. Answer, B. Proton pump inhibitors reduce gastric acid secretion, decreasing aspiration risk during induction of anesthesia. The Mayo stand should be positioned A. Over patient's head. B. Below sterile field level. C. Directly over operative site without touching patient. D. Behind anesthesia provider. Answer, C. Proper positioning ensures immediate access to instruments while maintaining sterility and avoiding patient contact. Which wound classification applies to a fresh traumatic injury entering surgery within hours? A. Contaminated. B. Clean contaminated. C. Clean. D. Dirty. Answer, A. Open traumatic wounds or major breaks in sterile technique fall into contaminated classification due to increased microbial exposure. The purpose of sequential compression devices during surgery is to A. Stabilize joints. B. Improve ventilation. C. Prevent venous thromboembolism. D. Reduce operative bleeding. Answer, C. Compression devices enhance venous return, preventing stasis and reducing risk of deep vein thrombosis during prolonged immobility. Which solution is most appropriate for prepping mucous membranes? A. Alcohol 70%. B. Iodophore solution. C. Hydrogen peroxide. D. Chlorhexidine with alcohol. Answer, B. Iodophore solutions are less irritating and safe for mucosal surfaces, unlike alcohol-based agents which can cause tissue injury. When loading a needle holder, the needle should be grasped. A. At the swaged end. B. 1/3 from the swaged end. C. At the needle tip. D. Midpoint exactly. Answer, B. Grasping 1/3 from the swaged end ensures optimal control, minimizes bending, and promotes accurate tissue penetration. Which surgical count item is counted first? A. Instruments. B. Sharps. C. Sponges. D. Sutures. Answer, C. Sponges pose the highest retention risk due to size and absorbency. Initial baseline counts begin with sponges before incision. A sterile field is considered contaminated if A. Moisture penetrates drapes. B. Surgeon steps away briefly. C. Instruments remain unused. D. Lights are repositioned. Answer, A. Strike-through contamination occurs when fluid allows microorganisms to pass through sterile barriers, immediately compromising sterility. Which laser safety measure protects operating room staff? A. Double gloving only. B. Non-reflective instruments. C. Surgical masks only. D. Increased lighting. Answer, B. Non-reflective instruments prevent accidental laser beam reflection that could cause burns or eye injury. The primary advantage of minimally invasive surgery is A. Longer operative time. B. Increased infection risk. C. Reduced tissue trauma and faster recovery. D. Larger incision exposure. Answer, C. Smaller incisions lead to decreased pain, reduced infection risk, minimal blood loss, and faster postoperative recovery. Which instrument is most appropriate for bone cutting? A. Metzenbaum scissors. B. Rongeur. C. Mosquito forceps. D. DeBakey forceps. Answer, B. A rongeur is designed to bite and remove bone tissue precisely during orthopedic or neurosurgical procedures. During closure, the CST should anticipate which suture for fascia. A. Fine absorbable rapidly dissolving. B. Non-absorbable heavy suture. C. Chromic gut small size. D. Silk braided. Answer, B. Fascia requires long-term tensile strength due to mechanical stress. Heavy non-absorbable or delayed absorbable sutures provide durable support. The most common cause of surgical fires involves A. Excessive irrigation. B. Low humidity environments. C. Sterile drapes only. D. Combination of oxygen, ignition source, and fuel. Answer, D. Surgical fires require three elements: oxidizer, oxygen, ignition source, electrosurgery/laser, and fuel, drapes/alcohol prep. Awareness prevents catastrophic events. Which responsibility demonstrates the CST's role as patient advocate? A. Preparing instruments rapidly. B. Monitoring sterile technique continuously. C. Recording anesthesia data. D. Administering medications independently. Answer, B. Continuous surveillance of aseptic technique protects the patient from infection and harm. The CST must speak up when sterility is threatened, fulfilling ethical and professional advocacy duties.